Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Stripe checkout with React and Node step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. Create a new directory for your project and navigate to it in your terminal. Run the command npm init to initialize a new Node.js project. Next, install the necessary packages by running npm install express Stripe cores. Create a new file named server.js in your project directory. In server.js, require the necessary modules at the top of the file. Set up an Express server by calling Express and defining a port for it to listen on. Enable CORS by using appuse, CORS, to allow cross-origin requests. Create a route for handling payments by using app_post/checkout, async, req, res, equals. Inside the route, extract the amount and currency from the incoming request. Use the Stripe library to create a payment session with stripe.checkout.sessions.create. In the create method, pass an object containing the line items, payment method types, and success/cancel URLs. Send the session URL back to the client using res.json, URL, session.url. Now, let's set up the front end. Create a new React app in a separate directory using npx create React app myapp. Navigate to the React app directory using cd myapp. Install the stripe.js library by running npm install at stripe/stripe.js. In your app.js file, import the necessary components from stripe.js. Create a button in your React component that triggers a function for the checkout process. In this function, call the Node.js backend to create a checkout session. Use the fetch API to send a post request to your backend endpoint you defined earlier. Handle the response by redirecting the user to the Stripe checkout page using window.location.ref. Make sure to test your implementation by running both the Node.js server and the React app. Start your server with Node server.js. In a separate terminal, start your React application using npm start. Open your browser and navigate to the React app URL. Click the checkout button to ensure the checkout flow is working as intended. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.